Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Hyundai Sonata. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter i4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks great. You do have the projector style headlights right there and your Hyundai badging with the chrome accenting. You do also have your lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our Ironman brand tires with our 17-inch rims. They look great. Heated exterior mirrors right there with the turning signals. And coming around the back here, we do have our Sonata badging with the Hyundai. Open it up just with the keys there. Looks great back here. You can fold those seats forward as well right over here. And then if you lift up this guy, you do have your spare tire just underneath there in case you ever did need it. Got our keys here. We got this guy to lock them, this one to unlock. We got that one to open up the back, and that guy does activate the panic. Now you do also have the button here to lock or unlock the door for you, just like that. Then on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Handle here, and some storage down here. Looks great in here. The leather seats are very nice and very comfortable. They are electric as well, so backward and forward, tilt and lumbar support. And then over here we do have the in-cabin light control here. We have our collision detection warning. And then we also have, oh sorry, that's the blind spot detection. And then you do also have this guy to open up the gas cap, your trunk, and your traction control. And then up here we do have the controls over our turning signals, high beams, and our lights. So our auto, off, daytime running lights, and low beams. Okay, it is a push start, so all we gotta do is put our foot on the brake, press the button, and it starts right up. Now in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well it is warning us that we might have ice on the roads. Now in the center there it does tell us how many kilometers we have, 48,000, not too bad at all. You also have the temperature outside and how far we have to drive. And then we can switch that around to our different options. So we have our speed, we also have our fuel economy, our info, we have our driving info, and then back there, and then you can switch over here to your driver's assistant, and then all sorts of different user settings through there. Now that is control from your steering wheel right here, as well you do have your cruise control options, and then over here we got the volume up and down with our Bluetooth options. Right over here we do have the controls over the windshield wipers, and then right over here we do also have our touchscreen display. Looks great, so you do have your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there. As well you got your media tab. If you have one hooked up, you can hit this guy right here to go back, and then you can see our main menu. You do also have the backup camera if you did need it. And then down here we do have our volume up and down with the radio button, the media button, phone, your seek and track. You also got your apps, your Blue Link, and your setup, and then your tuner and browser over there. And then right down here we do have the dual climate system, so you can have different levels of temperature. You have your auto, off, your power up and down, where it's going to blow out of, and your sync. And then you got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, your front and rear defrost, AC, circulation, and your passenger heated seats. Then over here we do have our aux cord and USB plug-in. Gear shift here, your driving mode. You also have your cup holders, and you can lift this guy up and you get some storage just underneath there. And then over here we do have our lock-in glove box with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top you got the controls over your sunroof and your sunglass holder. And there's our sunroof, looking great. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle, another handle here, heated seats back here. You also have your control over your window, a handle, and some storage. Looks great back here as well. Same material as the front, very spacious as well. You can fold this guy down, and you do have an armrest with some cup holders, and those seats can fold forward just like I said before. And there's our 2.4-liter i4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2018 Hyundai Sonata. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.